Hello, I it's kind of weird. I am making another video. It's been a while. I just want to show you something, man. Right? I was playing Tear. This is context. I was playing Teardown. All right. I'm using these mods. I was playing like a map mod of Jake and Finn's Treehouse for Adventure Time, and of course if those who don't know Teardown, you could just you destroy stuff on Teardown. I destroyed the treehouse, and you're probably wondering, what do you destroy your treehouse with? I destroyed the Battleship, and you're probably wondering, oh, you used cannons and to blow up. Well, I didn't. I wasn't on board of the Battleship. In fact, I didn't use the Battleship in the way it was intended. No, I sliced the treehouse with it. And now you're wondering, no, why? How? What? Well, if you don't believe me, I'm gonna show you. Alright, it's a little glitchy because this. And those who don't know how I sliced it, I used a little magnet. And I took down a whole tree too. And you would say, where's the top of that tree? Well, here's the top. Alright. And I saw Jake and Finn and BMO in that tree, and as you could probably tell, they're gone. And I know I saw this microwave robot. I forgot its name. Hang on, let me check. Well, the good news is that he survived. He was in this cave. He was in this cave, like under the treehouse, when the ship freaking dragged through. And he's actually very lucky, because the bridge on, he was actually very lucky because one of the bridge towers is actually was like dragging through the soil. See? It just went right through the stump. Yeah, I caused havoc across the treehouse. Well, that's all I want to show you. Yeah, I guess, see you around, and, goodbye.